Ante up, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, ante up. Whether you've come across it in a novel, heard it in a movie, or perhaps even in casual conversation, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it. The term, ante, originally comes from the world of card games, particularly poker. In poker, an ante is a small bet that all players must contribute to the pot before the cards are dealt. It's a way to ensure that there is always some amount of money at stake in the game. So, when someone says, ante up, they are essentially asking everyone to put their money or stake into the pot. It means to pay up or contribute your share. Outside of the card games, ante up has taken on a more general meaning. It can be used in a variety of situations. 1. Paying money. If a group of friends are pooling money to buy a gift, someone might say, everyone, ante up, to remind everyone to contribute. 2. Taking responsibility. If a team is discussing a project and it's time for everyone to state what they will do, someone might say, let's ante up and commit to our tasks. 3. Facing challenges. If someone is talking about confronting a difficult situation, they might use the phrase to mean stepping up and facing the challenge head-on. For instance, the final exams are next week. It's time to ante up and study hard. To give you a clearer understanding, here are some examples. 1. We're ordering the birthday cake now. Ante up, everyone. 2. The community is holding a fundraiser. It's our chance to ante up and support a good cause. 3. You've been avoiding the problem for too long. It's time to ante up and face the consequences. Ante up is a versatile phrase that has evolved from the world of card games to everyday language. It's about taking responsibility, facing challenges, and contributing. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. So, next time you hear or read, ante up, you'll know exactly what it signifies. Happy learning!